I have just taken one preliminary meeting for a common biomedical waste treatment facility of Goa state. The land which is identified and is in our possession is at Kundai Industrial Estate. So, Indian Medical Association, which is Goa unit, they are, especially Dr. Shekhar, who is the president, they are very keen that government starts this facility of Goa biomedical waste treatment facility in Goa state, because right now Goa Medical College cannot take all that waste which is generated. There are so many things like imputing of arm, legs and biomedical waste भरपूर भाशेचो आसता ऑपरेशन्स हे ते चालूच आसता सो दॅट रिक्वायर्स इन्सिनरेशन एंड गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजी कडेन इन्सिनरेटर आहा तो धाकटुलो आहा तेंकांच पावना तो एंड पेन्जिमाचो वेस्ट कलेक्ट जाता ऑल द हेल्थ केअर hospitals which are there, then pathological labs. There are so many other hospitals in Mapsa, in Ponda, in Margaon. I think the waste in Margaon is not being collected at all. So all those hospitals which are there, they खंय तरी ते garbage and हिंगा थिंगा dump करता. So NGT, National Green Tribunal, has given certain orders on this. So we have to fast track this and immediately start this facility. The land is with us now, Kundai Industrial Estate. We have a land of for this facility, and immediately we are planning to start. So 12 crores is the estimate which we have done. And coming meeting, the next meeting, we will approve all this. We have asked environmental clearance, pollution control board, सगळे आमचे inspection बीन complete जाल्ले आहा. The public hearingूय जाल्ले आहा तेजेर आणि we are awaiting this environmental clearance. The minute we get, we will float the expression of interest if it is under boot. So the final meeting with Honorable Chief Minister is pending, whether we are going to do it under build, operate, own, transfer, or we are going to do it by Goa government. So the money will be spent directly. We'll take some funding from any of the banks, like Bank of Maharashtra has come forward to finance us for solid waste management facilities in Goa. NABARD has sanctioned us 200 crore loan for solid waste management facilities in Goa. So since it is small amount and the land availability is with us, if the state government says no, let us put all the money, then it is state government money. We will only ask for a contractor to build a facility, and Indian Medical Association, the Goa unit, they will be part of this to run this facility. They will be part of with Solid Waste Management Corporation to run this facility, and all the hospitals in Goa will compulsory have to give their biomedical waste to this facility, to this plant. So person will be there, individual or a company or whoever it is, to collect this waste. Segregated waste will have to be collected. Whatever has to be incinerated will have to go in the incinerator. Whatever has to go as other waste will go as other waste. So practically, in short, this facility we are looking forward like 6 to 7 months, max 8 months, to make this facility ready for the hospitals of Goa.
Okay. So at the moment,
Industrial estate, Kundai Industrial Estate, हो आमचो जागो आयडेंटिफाय करून आमकां लँड आमच्या ताब्यान घेतल्या. ताब्यान लँड घेवन आमी तेजेर EIA केलो, एनवायरमेंट इम्पॅक्ट असेसमेंट केलें, तेजेर पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्डाचें इन्स्पेक्शन जालें, सगळें जालें. आतां पब्लीक हियरींग जालें, एनवायरमेंटाचें क्लियरन्स, एनवायरमेंटल क्लियरन्स इज अवेटेड, सो वी आर गोइंग टू गेट इन दिस वीक or next week. So once that is done, we are वी हॅव ऑलरेडी आयडेंटिफाईड द टेक्नॉलॉजी आयडेंटिफाय केल्ली आहा. आतां सरकार पयशे मोडटलो हेजे काय आमी बूट बेसीस करतले, बिल्ड ऑपरेट ओन ट्रान्सफर, काय सरकार डायरेक्ट मोडटलो वा आमी थोडो लोन घेतले आनी मोडटले आनी कोणाक तरी आमी थंय टेंडराक दितले, तेणे चलोवप ती फेसिलिटी, बिकॉज फायनली ऑल द हॉस्पिटल्स हॅव टू पे फॉर इट.
Any
So, but I want that hospitals to pay less money. Hospitals cannot pay huge money because some hospitals will say, no, we are going to take care of our own waste. For that, आमचे Goa State Pollution Control Board will be very strict because this is something which has to be taken care of. Biomedical waste is also has to be scientifically treated. It just cannot be dumped here and there.
You spoke about 12 crores, the estimate. And in that estimate, so final decision on all these things would be taken by when, next week?
By the finance minister, we are going to have a meeting with him maybe tomorrow or day after, our chief minister, and he will decide whether we should go under boot basis or we should go under by Solid Waste Management Corporation. Our department will build it by inviting tenders or otherwise.
कितने हॉस्पिटल आसा in Goa anyway? It's
We have quite a number of hospitals and pathological labs. Then we have small little तेंचे व्हडली हॉस्पिटलां ना ती पण धाकटे लायक clinics आहा, 20 bedded आहा, 30 bedded आहा.
आयची मीटिंग कोण
15
कोण
all the our Solid Waste Management Corporationचे आमचे ऑफिसर्स जाल्ले, तितून आमचे इंडियन मेडिकल एसोसिएशन गोवा युनिटाचे आमचे सगळे
Members.
शेखर सरकार हू इज द प्रेसिडेंट अलॉंग विथ हीज एंटायर टीम ऑफ डॉक्टर्स, डेंटलाचे डॉक्टर, सगळे बाकीचे डॉक्टर, आयुर्वेदाचे डॉक्टर सगळे आसले आणि तितून आमकां वी आर ऑल्सो आस्किंग CSR activity from this company ONGC. If ONGC can, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation can fund this project to us, तेका आपयल्लो आयज आमी आनी तेजे कडेन भासाभास केल्ली आहा. He has said that he has got certain budget where he can give the sanction. So now this sanction is above that. So it has to come from Delhi. So we will first try, we'll keep time limits, try to get CSR funding. If they say no, it will get delayed or whatever reason, we'll do it ourselves or under boot. So we have all options open to do this facility.
सालिगांवांत गार्बेज पासून फ्युअल तयार जाता पळय न्हू, तशी ह्या वेस्टाक पासून कितें नेक्स्ट प्रोसेस आसता?
नो, इन्सिनरेटर हो इन्सिनरेटर जो आसतलो तितून सगळे काडले, घातले भितर, गोबर जावन भायर येयलो काबार. कोणाचो आतां लेग एम्प्यूट केलो, तो पार्ट आहा, तो कितें करप, तो इन्सिनरेटर घातलो काबार जालो. तशें तें इन्सिनरेटर जो आमी थिंगा डिसिजन घेतला घालपाचें. इवन we have taken a decision to put up a incinerator at Kalangut Plateau with us. That is not for biomedical waste, that is for our waste only. What is happening right now is every day we are sending 2 or 3 trucks of plastic waste and other waste to cement factory to incinerate over there. So we are sending from Goa to Karnataka. They are charging us 22,000 for hardly 16 tons goes in one truck. 22,000 सरकार म्हणटा. आमचो ओन इन्सिनरेटर आसत, आमच्या प्लांटान जितके वेस्ट येता, सो प्लांट शूड हॅव अ इन्सिनरेटर. 100 टन्साचो इन्सिनरेटर आसपाकूच जाय. सो जितको तूं प्लास्टीक वेस्ट तयार करता येता प्लांटाचेर और कार्डबोर्ड वा आनी कितें तुजे दुसरो वेस्ट येता, एक्सेप्ट फॉर ग्लास एंड मेटल, बाकीचो सगळो वेस्ट डायरेक्ट इन्सिनरेट जावपाक जाय.
सो तुमी कालांगूट एक आसतलो हो आनी
आमच्या फॅक्टरीनूच भितर
तो फर्स्ट इन्सिनरेटर
हय, तो फर्स्ट इन्सिनरेटर वी वील कम अप.
ते काल पयर म्हणलें 1-2-3 आहाय कितें इन्सिनरेटर तुजे
पयलो आमच्या हितून घालता, मागीर काकोरा जे हितून प्लांट घालतले तितून पार्ट आसतलो तो, मागीर तेजे भायर आमी तेजे आमी ऑलरेडी एस्टिमेट्स करपाक लायले
कॉस्टिंग कितलें जाता
कॉस्टिंग करपाक लायले अजुनूय फायनल आमकां कॉस्टिंग येवंक ना